Hello everyone, this is Ashraf from EduPlanet Academy. So today we will discuss about 10th class maths. There is a chapter, important chapter in the 10th class maths, that is trigonometry. In the title only we are getting the meaning of trigonometry chapter. Three gone, sides, metron, measure. It means trigonometry is nothing but the measure of three sides. This chapter deals with the relationship of angles and sides of triangle. In this chapter, we will discuss the relation in between the ratio of three sides of a right triangle, like base, height or altitude, and the third side is hypotenuse. In this right triangle, already we know that one angle will be seized as 90 degrees. Then what about these remaining two angles? Yes, the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, so that I can call them as complementary angles. There are totally 6 kind of ratios will be available in the trigonometry. How we will get those ratios, the derivation of those ratios and the formulas of those ratios, now we will see. By taking the help of one right triangle, easily we can understand those 6 ratios. Now initially I am taking a right triangle, that is PQR. Already we know that right angle located at point Q. See here, I am considering point R. In the view of point R, side PQ will be opposite and side QR will be the slope line, that is PR is hypotenuse. Now let us create these 6 ratios. We'll see that magic. The first ratio out of this 6, that is nothing but sine theta. Second one cos theta. Third one tan. These 3 are standard ratios of trigonometry and their inverses are cosec, cos inverse is sec, as well as tan inverse is cot. Now we will see their definitions. Let us start writing the formulas of 6 ratios. Firstly, sine theta equals opposite by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta equals adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Next, tan theta equals opposite side divided by adjacent side. Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, these 3 are standard ratios of trigonometry. Sin theta inverse ratio is cosec theta. Then this ratio will be reciprocal. It means cosec theta equals hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Vice versa, we can write the definition of sec theta also by using cos theta. Sec theta equals the reciprocal of cos theta. It is nothing but hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Next, tan theta. By using tan theta, we can make the formula of cot theta. Cot theta equals the reciprocal of tan theta is nothing but adjacent side divided by opposite side. So these are the formulas of 6 ratios of the trigonometry. Now with the help of these definitions, by considering this triangle, we'll make the values of sin r and cos r and tan r. Firstly, sin theta. Theta is located at point R. So instead of theta, we have to take point R only. See here, sin R. Next, cos theta means cos R. Next, tan theta means tan R. So sin R Sin theta definition is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin r, in the view of point r, what is the opposite? PQ is the opposite and hypotenuse is PR. Sin r is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is PQ divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but. In the same way, with the help of this triangle, we can write the values of cos r and tan r also. Will you guess?